Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali Hasnan and I'm from Pakistan. And today we will dive into some unique Google Earth Engine code to analyze vegetation health and land surface temperature. Okay, and for that I'll create like chart, map, and we will use these for to insight into the factors that changes over time. So be ready. I'm going to show you the full code. So before moving to code, I'm just showing you that how you can generate time series and how you'll get it in different colors. And here you can see for uh, different years in different colors. For example, I wanted it for 2020 to 2023, and you just watched. Now without wasting time, let's move to the code. So first of all, I defined Pakistan as my area of interest. So, for example, just assume that India is my study area or is my Pakistan. So, I just defined study area. Actually, I wanted it to calculate on a big study area. So that's why I choose that region of India just to show you for an example. So here I define date ranges, like for which date range I want all these changes. So for example, I wanted it for 2020 to 2023, and the data set we actually gonna use is ESA world cover. Why? Because it gives us like a classification LU, LC, land use, land cover, and band 40, which actually contain cropland. So our main concern is with cropland. So we want to check actually cropland. If your concern is, for example, you want to check tree cover, then you can set value 10. But if you want to, like for example, if you want to check this trend on trees, then you can go for 10, and it depends on your study area, what kind of study area you're working on. And for example, if your study area contain croplands, for example, I'm from Lahore, so here we mostly grow cropland, or in Pakistan, so the south side of Pakistan like Sahiwal, Chichawatni, they grow crops. So there you can select this band 40 which is suitable. If you go to Kashmir side, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, for example, a area in Pakistan, so there you will find some trees, so you can select band 10 as a to mask here, as I selected just 40. So here's the different functions I applied, like I applied reducer, and then I applied a function to color. So here you can see I applied like NDVI color palette, and to calculate LST we're gonna use modis, and same we will define our filter dates for which we want to calculate our LST. So here we will also mask band 40 from the land use, land cover, and here you can see I defined the color palette and what's minimum and maximum. Actually we gonna cover minus 60 to 60, which means it will give us a very detailed LST visualization. Because for example, if area is coming between 0 degree or to 20, so you can imagine that minus 60 to 60 how beautifully it will like give us colors. So for example, from bluest range to the reddest, so we are this way I selected this one minimum, so you can just uh, arrange this according to your own way. And here then next I applied different colors. You can see I applied colors like blue, green, red, orange for the chart series. And here you can see I colored these names. For example, for 2020 the color will be different, for 2021 the line color will be different. So I just selected these colors by setting set options function from there. And at the end, this is all about the code. And if you want, you can screenshot this code, or you can just type as it is, or you can also request me for code. Just write down your mail address below comment section, so I'll post you this code. Now let's move to the results. So for example, I'm going to click on run, and today I will show you this code by testing it on different study areas. For example, first of all, I'm just testing it over India. For example, this is the heart of India, and here you can see I just loaded cropland. And as I earlier explained, it depends on your study area that how much crop is being grown there, because we are actually just focusing on one class, which is our crop. So for example, if your study area is like a grassland type or tree, or mostly with trees, then you have to select different bands, and you can for that you can read ESA dataset. So here's it's you can see how it's giving me value for this, and it was the region for which I just ran this. Now I will change it to another study area, and you will feel that how it's changing, and it's showing me the trend. So here, for example, I'm just going to change it for Chichawatni. Actually, it's South, you can say South Punjab over here in Pakistan, as South Punjab side where mostly we grow crops. And here you will see it will show me that crop area and different statistics. So yeah, this way you can get your vegetation, or you can like monitor your vegetation health, and you can see. And for example, if you want to perform this on mangroves, then you can select 90, band 90. If you want it for like for example bare or sparse vegetation, then you can go for 60. And if you want it for 40, then you can go for cropland. And if you want it for grassland, then you can select 30. So via this way you can utilize this data set. It's very helpful. Now let me show you this code on another study area. For example, this time I'm gonna select Karachi city over here in Pakistan. So you will feel that how it changes. And for example, Karachi is not known for the crop cultivation, so you will feel that it will show me very little patch, or it will be nothing there. I just want to show you that how it works. You can see just a very little bit small patch. It means there's no uh, cropland. And for example, if I change to the another study area, for example, this is Philippines province. If I load this one, and you will see it will give me like another kind of statistics. And it depends what kind of vegetation is grown there, cropland are enough or not. And the data set we are using is ESA world cover. Okay, and for example, here you can see it loaded the cover, and you can see other green parts. So and here you can see the trend, that how it's showing us the trend. Like it's totally different than other study areas. For example, it's totally different than from my Pakistan. And you can see, but you can see also the accuracy of code, that wherever I'm just running it, and it's giving me the values, answers. So yeah, this way you can use this code. It's very helpful, and I tried a lot to make this code very useful. So please, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm really hardworking to bring something new to you guys. So, and also please share my channel with your community to grow. Now let me change it to another study area. So here you can see I'm just testing it on my own city. So I live here in Lahore, Pakistan, and here you will see that it's showing that where the cropland is, and it will show us the pattern. And you can see from the center it's like urban area, and from the sides you can see the crops, and it's showing visually. You can visualize over map layer. And for example, if I test it on different other countries, for example, I'm gonna test it on Lithuania, and you will see it'll take me to the Lithuania and give me different. And here you can see cropland. So I hope that it was helpful and you enjoyed something new. So if you like it, please hit the subscribe button and keep sharing. Have a nice day and enjoy the video. Thank you. Take care. Bye.